Hey guys, here we are downtown Princeton. As you can tell, that's after the storm. I believe right now, hang on, I believe it's about 15 till 6. But for all of you that are wondering what it looks like downtown, I'm out and about, making sure everybody's safe. And I'm gonna head back toward the house myself. But thought I'd let you see. We look after the storm. Anyway, call it a wrap, I guess. It's about 24, 25 degrees in downtown Princeton. Today is Monday, and I believe it's March the 3rd. I think it's right. Well, now you know what Main Street looks like, and this is Market. So, it ought to be a wrap. There's a beautiful sunset. I don't think I can get down to get to it. I'm not going to be able to catch it. But anyway, that's a wrap. Stay in, stay warm.